Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of successful people and their unique way of thinking. You ready? Let's get started. Successful people have this incredible ability to see the glass half full, even when it's filled with pickle juice. They believe in the power of positive thinking. It's like they have an internal cheerleading squad that keeps them motivated and focused. So how do they do it? Well, it starts with self-talk. They replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, I can't do it, they say, I can and I will. It's like having a mini pep talk with yourself. Now here's the secret sauce. Successful people don't fear failure. They embrace it like a long-lost friend. They understand that failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone to success. Yep, even the greats had their fair share of blunders. But what sets them apart is their ability to learn from their mistakes and keep pushing forward. Successful people are like Jedi Masters when it comes to goal setting. They don't just dream big, they break those dreams down into actionable steps. They set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. It's like having a roadmap that guides them towards success. You've heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, successful people take that to heart. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals who lift them up and inspire them. It's like having your own personal cheerleading squad, but without the pom-poms. Successful people never stop learning. They have this insatiable hunger for knowledge like a squirrel looking for acorns. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and never stop seeking new ways to improve themselves. So, my friends, if you want to think like a successful person, keep that curiosity alive and never stop growing. And there you have it, folks. The secret sauce to how successful people think differently. Remember, it's all about positive thinking, embracing failure, setting goals, surrounding yourself with the right people, and never stopping that hunger for knowledge. Thanks for tuning into Motivation Pulse. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Until next time, keep thinking like a champ.